Hi sir, I'm Aliza Abigail Enaclau from HR Department and you are?
Good day, Ma'am Eliza Aclaw. I am Daryl Aaron Camantigue and I have extensive experience in the field management. I graduated from BSBA Major in OF at UNIDA Christian College. And in my previous jobs, I have proven my ability to lead teams, grow businesses, and improve operations. I am willing to contribute to the success of your company and I'm ready to face challenges that come with this position. So, thank you for this opportunity.
Nice to meet you sir. So where did you find out that our company is hiring?
Hmm, I check on social media first if it was legit. After that, I send a message and then I send my resume.
Oh, that's nice. So sir, have you ever worked before?
Yes, I had a lot of work experience before as a service crew in a fast food. And I was also janitor until I became a manager. But I did last a manager because I went abroad as a domestic helper. And I came back to the Philippines to apply again.
I see. It's really hard to work abroad because you will miss your family, but I'm happy, sir, because you came back to the Philippines. Also, I'm even happier for you because we're looking for a manager position. Sir, say Aaron, why do you want this job?
Because I already have work experience.
And what are your weaknesses?
One area I'm continually working on is balancing my hands on approach with delegations. As a manager, I'm very detail-oriented and committed to excellence, which sometimes leads me to take on more than I need to. I've learned that by trusting my team and delegating effectively, we can achieve better results and grow together. I'm actively working on improving this by setting clear expectation and providing my team with the resources they need to succeed.
Okay, sir, and what motivates you?
What motivates me as a manager is the opportunity to drive positive change within an organization. I thrive on the challenge of meeting business goals while fostering a collaborative and supportive team environment, seeing my team members develop their skills, take on new responsibilities, and succeed in their roles is incredibly rewarding. Additionally, I am driven by the potential to innovate and improving processes to enhance productivity and achieve operational excellence. Ultimately, it's about making a meaningful impact that not only benefits the company but also contributes to the growth and satisfaction of the team.
And what is your educational background?
I hold bachelor's I hold bachelor's degree in business administration with a concentration in operation management from UNIDA Christian College. This educational foundation has equipped me with a strong understanding of business operation, leadership principles, and strategic planning. Additionally, I've completed various professional development courses that have further honed my skills in team leadership and project management, which are vital for a manager role.
And how many years managerial experience do you have?
I have over 5 years of managerial experience. During this time, I've had the opportunity to lead diverse teams, manage significant projects, and contribute to strategic planning and execution. This experience has been instrumental in developing my leadership skills and understand of effective team management.
So, next question is, what is your greatest accomplishment?
One of my greatest accomplishments as a manager was leading a project that resulted in a 30% increase in operational efficiency. Within our department, this was achieved through a series of strategic workflow optimizations and the implementation of new technology. Not only this project significantly reduce costs but is also improve team morale and productivity. It was a testament to the power of collaborative problem solving, innovation, and it has had a lasting positive impact on the company.
And lastly, why we should hire you?
You should consider hiring me because I bring a unique combination of experience, skills, and passion to the table. With over 5 years of managerial experience, I have a proven track record of leading teams to success and driving operational improvements. My educational background in business administration has provided me with a solid foundation in management principles, and my continuous pursuit of professional development keeps me at the forefront of industry best practices. Moreover, I am deeply committed to fostering a positive work environment where team members feel valued and motivated. I believe in leading by example, and my hands-on approach has consistently resulted in high team morale and productivity. My greatest accomplishment, increasing operational efficiency by 30%, is a testament to my ability to identify opportunities for improvement, implement effective solutions. My combination of practical experience, strategic thinking, and a passion for leadership makes me an ideal candidate for the managerial position in your company.
Alright, sir, thank you for today, and just wait for 1 to 2 weeks and you will know the result if you are accepted or not for this job. Just wait for email or text. And nice to meet you, sir, and have a nice day.